Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the BR-2000, and this is the Tennant 2370 corded electric burnishers. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machines running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so if you've got dust blowing out the back and your bag is damaged or it's got a rip in it or something like that, we're going to open up the bag compartment. We are going to, all you have to do is pull the bag off the tube, pull it out just like that. Now at this time we can empty it out, or you can replace it if it's got tears or holes in it, or if the zipper's broken on it. So just take that, put it back on the tube, slide it back down, kind of tuck your bag away, and lock the door back into place. Just like that, you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.